Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to remove a page section in Microsoft Office Word. So I have here a text that I want to remove or delete the section. First we will insert this section so we can delete it. To insert the section, all you have to go to the layout tabs. Here you will find the page setup section, and you will find the button breaks. Here you can insert the different types of breaks, either the page breaks or section. We are interested on in the section breaks, so let's just insert any section. As you can see, now we cannot see the sections. So to make them or to show them, all you have to do is to go to the Home tab, then click on Show or Hide. Also, you can just uh, click here so it appears. As you can see, we have here our section break. Now we want to remove and delete this section. Simply all you have to do is to select this section with your mouse, come to this symbol here, and then select the section. Then we are just going to delete it manually and click backspace or delete on your keyboard. So this is how we can delete or remove the section pages or the section breaks. So thank you for watching and goodbye.